Let's dive right into this explainer on the ultimate musical color palette, the chromatic scale.
Imagine having every single color ready on your palette before you even start painting.
In Western music, the chromatic scale is exactly that. It's literally your foundational musical alphabet.
The crucial thing here? It consists of exactly 12 available pitches packed into one octave.
And each pitch is separated by just one semitone, the smallest possible step in Western music. But unlike major or minor scales, it has zero tonal center. It's totally neutral. Thanks to Baroque-era equal temperament, we can actually play all 12 semitones without constantly retuning. This rule keeps things clear on the page. Use sharps when going up, flats when going down. See how these first 6 semitones map out perfectly right from our starting note of C? Moving right along, watch how this builds seamlessly into that complete 12-pitch octave.
When you ascend the scale, notice how we use sharps to connect the notes. Try playing this.
And singing it backwards, that's the most direct experience of feeling those flat half steps.
So how do musical legends actually use these 12 neutral notes to create pure magic?
Take J.S. Bach. He expertly used chromatic notes as passing tones right between main chords.
He literally filled the gaps in a descending bass line to create this relentless, twisting tension.
Fast forward to jazz. Bebop pioneers like Charlie Parker used this as an incredible improvisation toolbox.
He used approach tones leading into chords to create incredibly fluid, lightning-fast lines.
Trust me, mastering this musical alphabet is an absolute game changer for any musician.
Every single chord comes from this scale. Practicing it actively builds serious finger dexterity across keys. Start experimenting. Try connecting a simple melody with passing tones or just freely improvise. Ultimately, don't view this as a boring exercise. It's the essential raw material of music. So with every single color finally sitting on your musical palette, what will you create today?